Unless you're driving a racing truck on a closed circuit in good weather, it's best not to drive on slick tyres, as everyone knows. But why? To avoid paying a fine, obviously, but above all because the risk of skidding increases if the road is slippery due to rain or snow. Indeed, if you do, a film of water is sandwiched between the road and the tyre. In other words, it's like driving on an ice rink. With the tread, however, the film of water is broken along the ribs and the water is removed. You regain your grip. In such conditions, you might think that the solution is to multiply the number of ribs to improve grip even further. You wouldn't be wrong, but then we come up against another problem. If it is cut up too finely, the block loses rigidity and each side slips slightly, thus wearing more quickly. This unfortunate side effect can be limited by creating sipes which are shorter and therefore less flexible. But then, as the tyre's life progresses, the tyre quickly reaches a stage where it is no longer sipe. So we end up going round in circles, if I can say that when talking about tyres. Michelin Research investigated the problem and is now proposing innovative solutions. First innovation, flexible but firm. The massive tread block is divided in two for better grip. But the key idea concerns the cut. It is no longer straight, but corrugated vertically and horizontally. In this way, the two parts remain independent, but as soon as the vehicle moves forward or brakes, the blocks are tilted slightly because the two parts press against one another. This self-locking effect also occurs laterally due to the dual corrugation of the cut. Thanks to this cohesion between the blocks, the tread block retains a certain rigidity, so it wears less quickly. Second innovation, the hidden groove. Let's have a closer look at a tread block. 2/3 of the way down, the gap between two sipes suddenly broadens to form a groove. What is the point of this peculiarity? It's very simple. Just imagine the tread block changing over time with wear. When the wear reaches the base of the two blocks, the tyre becomes slicker and loses grip. It is then that the new wide groove in the tread block is revealed. With this groove, the tyre regains up to 30% of its grip. More grip for longer. Get ready to appreciate rain and snow even on the road.
Michelin, a better way forward.